Hello everyone. Welcome back to Say Something with Mads, your go-to channel for all things exciting and adventurous. Today we are exploring one of Dubai's most unique shopping destinations, the biggest themed shopping mall. It's called IBN BATTUTA Mall. It's opened in 2005. This architectural marvel is named after the famous Moroccan explorer and is divided into 6 incredible pavilions, each inspired by the region Ibn Battuta visited. Isn't it exciting? So buckle up for an adventurous journey through time and cultures. If you are in Dubai as a tourist and you wish to visit Ibn Battuta Mall, let me tell you it is very easily connected by Dubai Metro Red Line. So take half a day, keep it separately just to visit Ibn Battuta Mall. It has all the brands which you can think of. Almost more than 300 retailers under one roof. Our first stop is Andalusia Pavilion, inspired by the Moorish architecture of southern Spain. Check out the stunning arches and intricate tile work. The centerpiece here is the impressive land fountain reminiscent of the famous Alhambra in Granada. It's a perfect spot for some Insta-worthy shots. Next, we are stepping into the Tunisia Pavilion, where all the vibe is all about North African charm. Look at these colorful mosaics and the traditional souk setting. The highlight here is the massive gate inspired by the entrance to Tunisia's old city. It's like walking straight into history. Ready for some ancient wonders? Welcome to the Egypt Pavilion. Feel the grandeur of ancient Egypt with the towering columns and hieroglyphics. The centerpiece here is the grand statue of Ramesses II, which gives you a sense of ancient pharaoh's power and legacy. It's like a mini trip to Luxor. From Egypt, we travel to Persia Pavilion, a place of opulence and Persian splendor. The detailed stucco work and the grand dome here are absolutely breathtaking. The star of the show, the magnificent peacock dome, symbolizing beauty and immortality in Persian culture. Trust me, you won't stop staring at it. let's dive into the colors and the chaos of the Indian pavilion. Inspired by the Mughal era, this pavilion is full of vibrant designs and lush gardens. The centerpiece is a stunning replica of Elephant Clock, a marvel of ancient engineering by Al-Zara. It's a fun and educational piece of history. Don't miss out to click pictures. Finally, we arrived at the China Pavilion, where the ambience is serene and majestic. With its pagoda-style architecture and dragon motifs, it feels like you are in ancient China for sure. The centerpiece here is a striking sailing ship representing the voyages of Zheng. It's a nod to China's rich maritime history and makes for stunning captures on your mobile or camera. One of the coolest things about IBN Battuta Mall is how it makes you feel like you are outdoors even when you are inside. Check out the fall sky above us as you walk in. It's so realistic and you might forget you are in a mall. This unique feature combined with the theme pavilion creates an immersive experience that transports you to a totally different world. I still remember when I visited this mall for the first time, and this struck me so beautifully. It feels like you are outdoor looking at the stars and the sky and you are shopping. So it stayed with me, and I make it a point to visit this mall at least once a month just to soak in the beautiful atmosphere and the architecture. So what are you waiting for? Next time you are in Dubai, or if you are still in Dubai, make it to IBN Battuta Mall just for now.